excited. Tonight we're gonna be doing a recipe. I don't think I've done it before. I've made parts of this recipe, but not all of it together, and I haven't filmed it for you. And that is taco pockets. So just like a pizza pocket, but it's gonna be stuffed with taco meat and cheese and all the good things. So let's go ahead and get making dinner. Okay, so what we're gonna do first is we're going to make pizza dough, and I've already got it made here in a bowl. So what I'll do is I'll just link down below in the description the recipe that I've posted before for pizza dough, and you can follow that to a T, make your pizza dough, and then follow along from there. So in this bowl here, I have my pizza dough ready. What I'm going to do is I'm just gonna flip it onto the counter, out of the bowl, and cut it into little pieces that I can then form into pockets. And then we'll stuff them with the taco meat and some cheese, and we'll go from there. So let's go ahead and get this cut up into some chunks, and we'll start making our pockets. Okay, so you can see what I did there. I literally just chopped it into little balls of dough. Now what we're going to do is you're going to get a cooking sheet with parchment paper on it, and you're gonna just set it beside you so it's ready. And then you're gonna make sure that you have some taco meat cooked up with the seasoning in it, ready to go. And literally what you're going to do, and I'm gonna show you with one and then I'll do a time lapse, is you're just gonna take one of your doughs, flatten it out, just with your fingers, and then you're going to grab some of the taco meat, put it in here with some cheese, wrap it together, and put it on here. I just remembered I don't have my cheese ready yet, so I'm gonna get my cheese ready and then I'll put one together and show you how to do it. Okay, so I have my cheese. I just make it into little teeny blocks like this, and then you're just gonna take your taco meat, just like this, put it into your pocket, and then sometimes it's a little bit messy, so you're just gonna wanna make sure that you can pull all of the dough together like this, and keep the meat and cheese inside. Pinch it all together like this here, and there is your taco pocket, and you're just gonna lay it on your cooking sheet, and we're gonna do that for all of them. So let's go ahead and get them all made. Okay, so you can see what I did there. I used 1 pound of hamburger and it was perfect. There's literally like half of a teaspoon left. And it made 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 pockets. You can see them here. So underneath, let me just show you this one. This is what they look like. So you make sure you pinch them closed. And then you're just gonna lay them on your cooking sheet. And then you're gonna preheat your oven to 350, and you're just gonna slide them in, and I can't remember how long it takes them. I'm thinking 10 minutes, but I will let you know for sure once they're done. So I'm gonna go ahead now and put these into the oven on 350, and then we'll come back once they're cooked, and I'll let you know how long it took. And I'll show you what they look like. So let's go ahead and put them in the oven. Okay, so I just took them out of the oven, and this is what they look like. It was about 20 minutes, so you're gonna wanna cook them on 350 for 15 to 20 minutes until the juices are coming out, but they're just lightly browned on top. Can you see the color there? They're just lightly browned. And I'm going to take one off and show you what it looks like. Okay, so I'm gonna grab a plate, just take one of these off so I can show you what it looks like here. So this is what the bottom looks like, cooked, and it's lightly browned. And then all I do to serve it, there you can see it better now, is I serve it with our homemade salsa. So this is the salsa that we made this year, and I will link this down below in the description as well with the pizza dough recipe for the dough to make these. So if you do want to make your own homemade salsa, that's the exact recipe I used for this. And I have to tell you, it's my first time making this salsa, and it is damn good. So, so good. So I just put a little bowl like this on here for the kids, and then I use a little dollop of sour cream and put that on the plate. And there you go, guys. That is the most easiest, fastest dinner. You can prep the dough while you are in the kitchen. It takes like 10 minutes to make the dough. Other than that, you're just letting it rise, and then you just cut it into chunks, and from there is when you're baking it, and it's gonna take 20 minutes in the oven. So let's go ahead. I want to cut this open and show you what it looks like on the inside. So here is your pizza pocket. That's what they look like on the inside. And we normally don't cut them open, only because we'll dip them and eat them that way. So we let them cool for a little bit. But I wanted to show you what they look like on the inside. So that's what they look like on the inside. And if you want to, when you cut them open, you could most definitely put whatever you want inside of it too, and eat half of it like a taco. So yeah, there we go. That is how you make a pizza, or not a pizza, a taco pocket, the exact same as a pizza pocket. And I've also made these before with scrambled eggs and cheese and ham in them, like a little breakfast pocket, and they're really good. So you can really make the pizza dough and make anything you want within it as a pocket, and then bake it in the oven the exact same every time until the top's golden brown and it's cooked through. So yeah, the quickest, easiest dinner that a lot of people like. I mean, everyone in our house likes it, and I've made it a couple times for friends and family, and they're like, oh my gosh, this is so good. And I said, it's so easy too. So I thought I would film it and have it on my channel for anyone who wants to give it a try, because I always know, as mom or dad, every night it's like, what's for dinner tonight, right? So give it a try for yourself. Let me know down below in the comments how it is and how it turns out for you and what you fill it with. And as always, I love and appreciate every single one of you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much for following along. And like I said, I will link down below in the comments, in the description, the pizza dough recipe and my salsa recipe. And give it a try for yourself, guys. But that is it for now. We're gonna go enjoy dinner, and I will see you guys back here next time. Don't forget to like, hit that bell, ring it, subscribe so you never miss a video, and I'll see you later. Bye, guys.